In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Bing. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Bing homepage. If you usually browse with Microsoft Edge, that works perfectly, but you can also use any other browser you like. If you're on a mobile device, you can follow a very similar process through the Bing app as well. The goal here is simply to get to the main Bing home screen before signing in. Once you're on the Bing homepage, look to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you should see the sign in button. Click or tap that button to move forward. This will take you away from the Bing homepage and redirect you to the Microsoft sign-in page, since Bing uses your Microsoft account for access. On the Microsoft sign-in page, enter your Microsoft account information. Depending on how your account is set up, this could be your email address, your phone number, or your Skype ID. After entering that information, click Next. Make sure you type it carefully so you don't run into unnecessary sign-in errors. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you can choose the option to create one from this same page. Just follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account before continuing. That way, once your account is ready, you'll be able to use it to sign in to Bing and other Microsoft services as well. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type your Microsoft account password in the password field and continue. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, which is an extra layer of security, you may also need to complete a verification step. For example, Microsoft might ask you to approve a sign-in request or enter a security code using your selected verification method. Just follow the prompts on screen until the verification is complete. Once your credentials have been verified, Microsoft will sign you in automatically and return you to Bing. A quick way to confirm that everything worked is to check the upper right corner of the page. If you see your profile icon there, that means you're successfully logged in. And that's all it takes to log into Bing. If you found this helpful, feel free to rewatch the steps and follow along at your own pace.